Thinking about the people in my life that I'm no longer connected to. Childhood friends, first love, family too. Said we never break up, but had to go our separate ways. Hoping everything we had never fades. You remember the time we went to DBN? It was pretty hot, beach fun. Plus I couldn't swim, too afraid to try, scared to drown. Just a little kid, wondering if I would ever outgrow all these silly things. Ain't it crazy how we picture the future like adding filters with captions that captures how we'd be living? It's so intriguing. I mean, if you had a chance to repeat it, would you do the same? Funny how we say things change, but we still the same. I finally know my worth. For so long I've been hurt, and I know I deserve everything inside this world. Cause I've been in the dirt, needed work. Standing on the corners with the homies cracking jokes, laughing through the pain with a broken heart. Trying to stand tall, don't wanna fall apart. Welkom naar de WAP, this is one more art. Vision so vivid and it's just the start. Wishing on a star when it's really dark. This lifestyle got you looking dumb when you're smart. Please don't try to play me, I can see the hate from afar. I've been on a run, but I still keep it 10 toes down, sticking to the sound. I started from the ground, although many see me as an underdog. Coming up, I proceed to maintain a pace, it's a marathon. Running fast, don't know what you got till it's gone. God grace, shout out to the fam, this is love. I pray y'all gon' understand what I'm on. Got a lot of bros and they say I could blow. I don't wanna know, like my name Mario. This is Mario, consider myself a poet. And I got flow, Hurricane De Niro. Thought your one piece didn't mean to destroy your love. Don't live here, but I built a home for you. Hoping you could stay, don't you say I ain't loyal. I've been on the play, though I'm still the same. I got mad love for you, but I'm trying to make a change. Wait, ain't you the one that said don't get jealous? I'm handsome, you beautiful, so there's always gonna be distractions.